Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D sheet metal part in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to New, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and we'll select the exact plane. So this will be the top plane. Rotate. Here you can see the top. From here we are going to take 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point and make a rectangle profile. Go to Dimension. The width here will be of 50 mm. Okay, and the height will be of 30 mm. Now finish sketch and take the face command. Okay, now press OK. Now here go to sheet metal defaults and from here we'll uncheck this and define the thickness here as 1 mm. Just make a 1 mm here and apply. Okay, now exit. Now go to part 3. Here you can see, go to front view. Okay, L bending is being given. Okay, so from front this will look like this. Go to part 4, go to flange command and here select this edge. We are selecting the top edge if we want the flange to go upside. If we want the flange to go down, we will select the bottom edge. Okay, define the dimension here of 15 mm, press apply. Now select this outer edge and here we will give the distance as 10 mm. Okay, and apply. Now select this top edge. Now change the distance to 25 mm. Okay, we'll zoom out. Now press OK. Okay, now we want to come out from the command. Now here I want same profile this side as well. So go to mirror, select flange 1, 2 and 3. Go to mirror plane, go to origin and here select the YZ plane. Okay, now here you can see the same profile has been mirrored this side as well. Now press OK. Go to part 3, rotate the view. Now we have a cut profile over here. Okay, now we are going to construct this cut profile. Go to part 4. Now here we'll select the YZ plane, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, so here this is sheet metal thickness and this is the radius line. Okay, now go to 3D model. Okay, go to sketch and here take the line command. We'll leave this sheet metal thickness and start from the second line. Okay, till here, take one line here and join till this second line here from bottom. Okay, and we'll join this and close it. Okay, now go to arc and select 3-point arc. Select this point, select this point and make a tangent profile. Go to tangent, select this profile, select this top. So this will be tangent to the top. Now go to the horizontal constraint, select the center point and select the center. So this will be aligned. Okay, go to dimension, give this dimension here as 5 mm. Okay, now go to tangent constraint, select this line and select this arc. Now escape. Now this is a fully constrained sketch. Select this line, make it construction. Okay, but we don't want to cut this profile. We want to cut the outer profiles. Okay, go to line. We start from here and click at this end and from here till this center. Okay, now same from the center till this end and from here till this bottom. Okay, so we have this profile now. Now escape. Now we have two different profiles, one the middle profile and second these outer profiles. Now finish sketch. Go to 3D model. Now take extrude command and select this outer profile. Here we'll take cut. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now take a symmetric cut and from here we'll take all. So this will be a through cut. Now press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch. Here we have a whole profile. So go to circle, drag the cursor on this so you'll find the center point here. Take die as 5 mm, go to 3D model, take extrude, flip the direction, and from here take all. So this will be a through cut. Now press OK. Now here go to sheet metal, take the flange command, select this bottom edge and go to more settings, and from here we'll take width. So this will be a width here at center. Go to front view. Okay, here the width will be of 10 mm. So this dimension here will be of 10 and the height will also be 10 mm. Okay, now press apply, go to home. So you can see here. So this is the cut profile for sheet bending. Now exit. Now go to the circular corner round, select this edge and select this edge. Here we are going to take a radius of 5 mm and press OK. So this will be an all round profile. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, drag the cursor here from the center point, take dia 4.5, go to sheet metal, take here cut, go to home, and this will be a cut up to thickness and press OK. Okay, now I want same profile this side as well. Go to mirror, select this flange 4 corner round and cut, go to mirror plane, and here we will select the XY plane. Okay, when I rotate this profile, here I will see the same profile. Press OK. Okay, now go to part 3. We have completed this profile and this profile. Now we are going to make this slot profile at middle. Go to part 4, select this face, go to create sketch, and here go to rectangle and take center point slot. Select this center point and make a slot profile. Go to dimension and here define the center to center distance as 15 mm. Okay, and the width here will be of 5 mm. Now go to sheet metal, take haircut, rotate to home and press OK. Okay, now here we'll define the appearance. From here we'll take orange color. Okay, I have taken the orange color here. You can take any. Okay, now I want to make a flat pattern of this. So just click create flat pattern. So it will generate a flat pattern and these are the bending lines. Okay, now go to the folded part. So this will be the folded part. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part in Autodesk Inventor Sheet Metal. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you.